In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and apply a layer mask in your digital image editing software. Whether you're working on a photo manipulation project or simply looking to refine an image, understanding how to use layer masks will help you make precise and non-destructive edits. To begin, ensure you have your image open and ready on your canvas. Start by selecting the specific layer you want to mask in the Layers panel. If you're unfamiliar, this panel is typically located on the right side of your screen. Once you find the right layer, it's time to add a mask. To do this, move your attention to the bottom of the Layers panel, where you should notice an icon resembling a rectangle with a circle inside. That's the Add Layer Mask icon. Click on it to add a new mask to the layer. Alternatively, if you're more comfortable using the menu, navigate to Layer, then Layer Mask, and select Reveal All. This command will have the same effect. At this point, you should see a white mask thumbnail appear next to your selected layer's thumbnail in the Layers panel. Now, it's important to understand what this white color represents. In the context of layer masks, white signifies that your layer is fully visible, with no areas hidden or transparent. Next, you'll need to click on this newly created mask thumbnail. This action ensures that you're working on the mask itself, rather than inadvertently altering the layer's content. Once you've done that, you can pick up your brush tool. You can easily access it by simply pressing the B key on your keyboard. Now, as you start using the brush tool on the mask, it's crucial to remember how different colors affect the layer's visibility. Painting with black on the mask will hide parts of the layer, effectively revealing whatever is beneath it. On the other hand, if you paint with white, those parts of the layer will become fully visible again. Gray, meanwhile, provides a middle ground, offering partial transparency to areas you brush over, which can be particularly useful for creating subtle fades or blending effects. There's a great technique if you only want to mask a specific part of your image. First, make your desired selection on the canvas. This could be an object, a person, or any area you wish to target. Once your selection is active, head back to the Layers panel and click the Add Layer Mask icon again. Doing so will convert your selection into the mask itself. The areas within your selection will be white, meaning they're visible, while the rest will be black, effectively hiding them. With these steps, you can now handle layer masks with confidence, adding a new level of control and creativity to your image editing projects.